Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your Windows 11 drivers up to date, and for that you have to download and install a small software for your Intel drivers, and the software will be provided by Intel. And for your other drivers like Realtek driver, which is for audio, you have to download it from some other sources. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so let's get started. So what you have to do is open Google and type here Intel drivers. Let's first see device manager and what drivers we may need for our Windows 11. So for network drivers, you can see there is Wi-Fi driver we will need, and for Bluetooth driver also it is from Intel, and audio driver is from Realtek. So if you don't want to download these drivers, then let's go back to our search results, search your Intel drivers, and then let's open this download Intel drivers. Now here if you want to download a Wi-Fi driver, then you can select any of these. Like for select your product, for graphics driver you can select graphics or wireless, but there's a better way, I would say. So first see what will happen if we select this wireless. So I selected this wireless because I want to download a Wi-Fi driver. So I selected Windows 11 here in the filter, and so these are drivers available from Intel for Wi-Fi. So the latest one will be on the top, and it is released in this same month, in August 2025. So you can download from here, or I will tell you there is a better option. For that, what you have to do is you have to go back to your search results and then click on this Intel driver and support assistant. Now what it says, Intel driver and support assistant keep your system up to date by providing tailored support and hassle-free updates for most of your Intel hardware. So for that you have to click on this download now option, and then once this is downloaded, so you can see size is 8.7 MB only, not a big deal I think. Okay, then click on run, and then it may take couple of seconds or minutes to install this. Click on install, yes, and let it install, and the install is completed now. So click on launch, and after you click on launch, the software will launch in a new tab in the browser only. And now you can see it will show the number of updates available for your system. Like there is one software update available for my Windows 11 laptop. So you can click on download all, which will download all the driver updates, and or you can select individually each one. So for my Windows 11 laptop, this is graphics driver update available, and these updates will be for your Intel drivers only. So I'm not going to actually download and install it right now, because it may take like several minutes, but you can download and install from here only. And always you can whenever this page opens, you can click on refresh results, so it will scan your system and it will give you the results. And one good thing is that whenever there is a new update available from Intel for any of your drivers, then uh, you will what happening that here in show icon there is this is icon Intel driver and support assistant. You will find that it will show you one update available or the number of updates which are available. You can see those here, and then you can right click on it and check for new drivers, and it will open here. So this is really cool, and also these are provided by Intel, so like no third party source for your drivers. That's a good thing. And now let's see how to download and install driver for your Realtek audio driver. So for that, search Realtek audio driver, and then you will find this Realtek audio codec. So that you can download a driver for Windows 10, and the same will work for Windows 11 also. So that's it, guys. Hope it was helpful for you, and thanks for watching. If it is helpful, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.